Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. The greatest integer satisfying the inequality. And what is the inequality given to us? Mod x square minus x minus 6 is less than x plus 2. And the value of greatest integer which is satisfying this inequality has been asked to you. So guys, the quadratic is factorizable. The quadratic written inside the modulus is factorizable. You can write it like x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is less than x plus 2. This could be further written by me like x into x minus 3 plus 2 times of x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. That will be becoming what? Mod of x plus 2 multiplied by mod of x minus 3 is less than x plus 2. Guys, I would have to plot the critical points. One critical point will be minus 2 and the other critical point will be plus 3. Then we would have to consider the cases. So minus 2 and plus 3 are the critical points. So the case 1 will be becoming what? X less than or equal to minus 2. Then the case 2 will be becoming what? Minus 2 is less than x less than or equal to 3. And case 3 will be becoming what? X greater than 3. So for case 1, x less than or equal to minus 2, it will be becoming first thing also negative and second thing also negative. That means negative multiplied by negative positive. So x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 less than x plus 2. Now let's take x plus 2 from RHS to LHS. So x plus 2 can be taken common by me. Then x minus 4 minus 1 will be there. And that will be less than 0. Now let's move ahead. That is x minus 3, my dear students. X minus 3 minus 1, that is x minus 4. It will be coming. So x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 4 is less than 0. So guys, you would have to do what? Minus 2 should be plotted by me and plus 4 should be plotted by me. And both the place it will be open and will be belonging to this interval. And what was given to you? X is less than or equal to minus 2. So then I would have to take its intersection with x less than or equal to minus 2. So intersection with x belonging to minus infinity to minus 2 closed. So we'll be going to get what? 5 over here. Nothing is common, no? Now let's move ahead and see the next sub part of this question. So minus 2 to 3, if we have the x value, so the first mod would be opening with positive sign and the second mod would be opening with negative sign. So x plus 2 multiplied by minus x plus 3 is less than x plus 2. Now let's take x plus 2 from RHS to LHS. So x plus 2 can be taken common by me. Then minus x plus 3 minus 1 is less than 0. That means x plus 2 multiplied by minus x plus 2 is less than 0. That means what? X plus 2 is multiplied by x minus 2 is greater than 0. That means what? One value of x is minus 2, other value of x is 2. So we would have to go away from minus 2 and away from 2. That will be the final values of x over here. But x is in between minus 2 and 3. We know this thing. So I would have to mark 3 also over here. This is in between minus 2 and 3. I would have to take its intersection with this thing. So I'll be going to get what? 2 to 3. Hope you guys would have got my point. So that is what x belongs to open 2 to close 3. Hope you guys would have got my point because that was close 3 and here it was open 2. So the intersection will be becoming x belongs to open 2 to close 3. Let's move ahead. For x greater than 3, I'll be writing the first mod as positive x plus 2 and the second mod also as positive, that is x minus 3. Hope you guys would have got my point. Less than x plus 2. So let's bring x plus 2 on RHS, LHS. So x plus 2 taken common by me into x minus 4 less than 0. So we'll be going to get the values of x in between minus 2 and 4. Minus 2 and 4 will be the values of x in between minus 2 and 4. Now guys, we would have to take care of what? X greater than 3. So x greater than 3 means like this will be going. But guys, here it is open 4 and here it is open 3, okay? So x will be belonging from the intersection when I took open 3 to open 4. What did they ask? the greatest integer satisfying this inequation. Okay, so can you see here, 3 is an integer and it is closed also, but 4 is also an integer which is greater than 3, but it is open over here. So x is equal to 3 will be the greatest integer which will be satisfying this inequality. You might be wondering, sir, can you show it to us by writing it over here? So 3 square is 9, minus 3 minus 6, that is 0. Okay, that will be less than 3 plus 2, and I'll be doing, that is 5. Hope you guys would have got my point. So whosoever has marked option 4 over here is wrong. Option is 3 for this question. Means answer is 3 for this question. Let's move ahead to the next question. Answer any of, okay, the value satisfying this inequation. Okay, so this is what, x minus 3 the whole square multiplied by 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 7 divided by 3x plus 6 the whole square is given to us. So guys, I told you one important thing already. First of all, you would have to do what? Plot the critical points. Okay, because it is less than, not equal to. Less than or equal to is not given, only less than is given. So after plotting critical points, what are the all critical points we would be going to get over here? 7 is one critical point, 3 is the another critical point, then minus 5 by 2 is the another critical point, and minus 6 by 3, that is means minus 2 is the another critical point. Let me mark it properly over here. Minus 5 by 2, I have marked it over here. Okay, so we'll be going to get what? Minus 2 also over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now my dear students, I would have to look for which all things will be like open and which all things will be like closed. Okay, so this will be open definitely, because 1 upon 0 is not defined quantity, and for minus 2 the denominator will be becoming 0. Guys, even this will be open because I don't have equal to symbol, because for x is equal to 3 the number on LHS will become 0, and 0 is not less than 0. Okay, less than or equal to 0, if it would be there, then I could have considered it as closed. Okay, even this will be open due to similar reason, even this will be open due to similar reason. So now my dear students, we would have to do what? I would be going to kill this thing. Why? Because a square of a real number is a positive quantity. Similarly, square of the real number is positive quantity. So now what did we get? 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 7 is less than 0 is only remaining. Since they are positive quantity, multiplying throughout the inequation by positive quantity will not be changing the inequality. Dividing throughout the inequation by positive quantity will not be changing the inequation. So guys, you might be remembering, you would have to come in between minus 7 and minus 5 by 2. No, plus 7 and minus 5 by 2. So in between these two things, always answer will be negative. That means it's like this. Am I clear to you? Hope you guys would have got my point. And here it will be positive. From upside it will be coming, and here also it will be going to upside. So what is the final answer? It will be becoming minus 5 by 2 open 2, open minus 5 by 2 to open minus 5 by 2 to minus 2 union minus 2 to 3 union the final answer is of form A to B union B to C. Okay, so what else is given to you about ABC? 2A plus B plus C is asked to us. Okay, so I would be going to write it in the form of A to B union B to C. Okay, because 3 intervals are not needed, 2 intervals are only needed. So A will be definitely minus 5 by 2, my dear students, because it is the starting point. Now choice of B is my consideration. Okay, I could either choose B as 3 or I could choose B as minus 2. So one time I will write it as minus 2 union minus 2 to 7. Okay, and the next time I will be going to write it like minus 5 by 2 to 3 union 3 to 7. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now my dear students, they have asked you 2A plus B plus C. Okay, so let's see which one is coming out as integer. So 2 multiplied by minus 5 by 2, then B is minus 2 and C is what? 7, you are knowing. So it's minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0 for the first case. The next case I will be counting it as minus 5 by 2 plus 3 plus B is C. Again 3 I have written already, no? So here it will be plus 3 plus 7. Okay, so we could have the answer as minus 5 plus 10, that is 5 also is the answer for this question. So guys, it has ambiguity. Okay, it has ambiguity. You can even mark minus 5 even you can mark it as 5, even you can mark it as 0. Okay, so those who have marked 0 will be given marks for this question. Let's move ahead to the next question and see what is asked to you. The number of integers satisfying mod of x minus 1 minus 1 mod is less than 1. So you would have to write like minus 1 is less than mod of x minus 1 minus 1 is less than 1. Now I add 1 throughout the equation. So 0 is less than mod of x minus 1 is less than 2. Now mod is always greater than 0, my dear students. Okay, but mod is also equal to 0, so x should not be equal to 1 over here. Okay, otherwise it will be becoming equal to 0. Then we have this is less than 2. Okay, that means minus 2 is less than mod of x minus 1. X minus 1 is greater than minus 2 is less than 2. So add minus 1, add 1 throughout. So minus 1 is less than x less than 3. Okay, that means x belongs to minus 1 to 3. Now they are asking number of integers satisfying this inequation. Okay, so we would be going to do what? We would be going to mark it as minus 1 over here and 3 over here. Okay, x can be equal to 1 or it cannot be equal to 1. X cannot be equal to 1. Okay, so we'll be going to do what? 0, 1, 2 is there in between, but 1 should be crossed by me. Okay, so 0 and 2 will be only satisfying because here it is open, here it is open. Okay, so 2 will be the right answer for this question. Let's move ahead to the next question. Answer. Okay, A is number of solutions and B is the sum of solutions of the equation. Then A plus B they are asking. So mod of x square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 9 minus mod of x square minus 1. Okay, so number of solutions and sum of solutions, two things are given over here. So we'll be going to do what? X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 mod is equal to 9 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 and mod of this thing. So it will be written as x into x minus 4 plus 1 times of x minus 4 and the mod is equal to 9 minus mod of x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. That will be mod of x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 4. Hope you guys would have got my point. Is equal to 9 minus mod of x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 in the mod itself. So guys, it has been given to us that sum of solution and number of solution. So we'll be going to write it like x plus 1 mod in x plus 1 x minus 4 plus times of x minus 1 x plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, now let's move ahead. I may write it like mod of x plus 1, okay, multiplied by mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 1 multiplied by mod of x plus 1. So we could get something common over here. Okay, mod of x plus 1 can be achieved as common by me over here. So we'll be writing mod of x plus 1 outside. We'll be remaining up with mod of x minus 4 plus mod of x minus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, now we'll be going to get the critical points. The critical points will be becoming what? Minus 1, okay, then 1, then 4. Now let's move ahead and solve it further. So guys, I would have to consider 3 cases over here. Okay, the modulus will be opening with the different signatures. So the first case will be what? X less than minus 1. So if x is less than minus 1, my dear students, the first mod will be opening with which sign? Minus sign. So minus x minus 1 will be becoming, and the second mod will be opening with which sign? That is minus sign only. So that will be minus x plus 4 it will be becoming. And the third mod will be opening with which sign? It will be again minus sign only. Okay, so minus x plus 1 it will be becoming. That is equal to 9 is given to us. So guys, we'll be getting what? Minus x minus 1 multiplied by minus 2x plus 5, that is equal to 9. That is x plus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. So we'll be going to get what? 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. That means what? 2x square minus 3x minus 14 is equal to 0. So that means 2x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 14 is equal to 0. Let's take 2x common, x minus 7, 2 common, then we'll be going to get what? 2x cannot be taken common, my dear students. X I have taken common over here. So x into 2x minus 7 plus 2 times of 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So x is minus 2 or 7 by 2. Now let's see whether it is less than minus 1 or not. So minus 2 is less than minus 1, but 7 by 2 should be discarded by us, okay? So the one solution I got over here, then minus 1 is less than or equal to x, less than 1 I'll be going to consider. So I would have to consider what? 4 cases, okay? First case I have considered, I got one solution as minus 2. Now the second solution when I'll be going to consider, 0 can be computed, means x plus 1 can be written. This will be opening with positive sign. Then next will be opening with negative sign, minus x plus 4 will be written by us. And this will be opening with negative sign, so minus x plus 1 will be written by us, that is equal to 9. So x plus 1 multiplied by minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 it will be becoming. So minus 2x square will be coming, plus 5x will be coming, minus 2x will be coming, plus 5 is equal to 9. Then minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now is it factorizable or non-factorizable? A is greater than 0, d value I will be going to compute b square minus 4ac, 9 into 4 into 2 into 4, okay? So that is less than 0, my dear students. So it's always positive, so you will not be going to get anything over here. So no solution, 5 will be going to get corresponding to the second case. Now 1 is less than equal to x, less than 4 I will be going to compute. So the first mod will be opening with the positive sign, and the next mod that will be opening with the negative sign, minus x plus 4. And this mod means and I'll be going to keep 2 over here, that will be opening with plus sign. So this will be going to get cancelled with this thing. So 3 times of x plus 1 will be remaining, that is equal to 9. So x plus 1 is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. So yeah, that is coming in between 1 and 4. So this is your solution. Till now we got what? Minus 2 and 2, okay? Now let's look for the last case over here, that is x is greater than 4. So we'll be writing what? The first mod will be opening with the positive sign, that is x plus 1. Then the next mod will be opening with what? Positive sign only, that is x minus 4. And then the next mod will be opening with the positive sign, that is x minus 1, that is equal to 9, okay? So that will be becoming what? X plus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 5 is equal to 9. So guys, we have solved such type of equation, okay? X plus 1 into 2x minus 5, okay? Same thing we are getting over here, because we got negative sign and negative sign, we got it as positive. So we are getting here also x is equal to minus 2 and 7 by 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and 7 by 2 will be again achieved by you. 7 by 2 is less than 4. I want it to be greater than 4, okay? That is 3.5, and even it is less than 4. So guys, the sum of solution and number of solution will be becoming what? Sum of solution is b value, okay? So that will be 0. b is equal to 0. And number of solution is what? 2. Sum of solution plus number of solution will become what? 2. So 2 is the right answer for